Welcome to the world of limitless opportunities, how to make money with digital marketing. In this guide, we'll embark on a journey into the digital realm, where marketing becomes your avenue to financial success. Discover the strategies, tools, and insights that can transform your online presence into a lucrative business venture. From affiliate marketing to SEO mastery, join us as we unlock the potential for profit and entrepreneurship in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. Prepare to harness the power of the internet and transform your skills into a sustainable source of income. Today, we will talk about how to make money with digital marketing. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. There is a certain number of ways by which one can earn money through digital marketing, such as 1. Content marketing. Content marketing is termed as creating and publishing free content online, with the intent to advertise a certain product or service. It is a bridge of information between the consumer and the seller. Content marketing is used in search engine searches. The current trends in buying now are query searching. In the current trend, people tend to search each and every issue on the internet. Research. Then comes the researching of many articles about the same subject and knowing their current market value, price, etc. comparison. Then the consumer compares the different price quotes and decides the price suitable for them. Buying? Well, here, the end result, the product, is bought. These steps are possible for online buying if there are good search results to compare and buy if there is good content available online about the product. If you have a strong suit in writing, then, this is one of the ways on to earn money by digital marketing. 2. Blogging. What is blogging? Blogging is nothing but a personal opinion of the writer on any topic. There are a lot of blog sites that offer free hosting of opinions, and it has the readability of millions of readers. If you are a creative writer, then it is a rewarding job to write an appealing blog about the product, and at the same time, online money making with digital marketing is achieved. But the basic requirement of the blog is that it should be always in the current trend. You could also link Google AdSense and monetize your blog by hosting ads. For each and every ad you hoist on your blog, you will be able to generate more income. In the blog, you can attract readers with steady and genuine content, offer a freebie in exchange for their email address, build their trust, and then advertise a product on your blog that will really be useful to the reader and earn a commission if the readers use your blog as a link to purchase the product. 3. SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, well, it is a very big word, but it is a very simple method of online money making once you get to know the specifics. The main aim of SEO is to increase your site's visibility in the search field. Every search engine gives a result based on certain keywords or key phrases of the search query typed in the box, and the most relevant result gets to be on the top. Here comes the work of an SEO professional who helps to optimize the website pages with the most searched keywords and key phrases to ensure maximum visibility of the website. You can earn money by building links or by writing SEO content, which is written with the aim of attracting search engine traffic. You are required to write content with a rich mixture of keywords and phrases and improve the chances of the website being in the top suggested results. 4. Website designing. This area requires a certain technicality. If a person has the ability to design a website from scratch and maintain it in a way that is noticed by the user. Website design is the planning, structuring, creating, and updating of the websites. It means the designer has to choose the correct specifics like an inviting layout, a splash of colors, the images used in them, creating a user-friendly interface for optimum navigation, and presenting the website in a cluttered-free way. The designer should also keep in mind that the website has to be updated regularly to keep up with market trends. In this way of digital marketing, one can learn how to earn money by digital marketing from the comfort of home by designing websites according to the client's needs or restructuring an existing website by giving it a makeover. 5. Affiliate marketing. This type of digital marketing is based on the weight of one's recommendations. Unlike other digital marketing ways, this affiliate marketing is based on one-to-one recommendations that are if you recommend a product to your friend, and then he or she uses the link given by you to purchase the product, then you would gain a commission out of that sale. This is called affiliate marketing. This is the oldest type of digital marketing. Many online e-commerce giants have successful affiliate marketing programs. It is also called referral marketing. In affiliate marketing, you can put a tie-up with a company your referral link, and this is how to earn money by digital marketing, to sell its goods through your referral link and earn a commission for every product sold via your link. 6. Social media marketing. Wondering how to earn money by digital marketing through social media? As the name suggests, it is digital marketing, which is done in social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Nowadays, a huge demographic uses their free time to dabble in social media and chat to like-minded people. Most social media networks have their own data analytics tools, which assist in building and advertising marketing campaigns in social media. As there is a constant streaming of discussions and opinions on social media, there would be almost an immediate notice product, and it would also be shared on other platforms, leading to awareness about the product. 7. Email marketing. Email marketing is an innovative way of marketing. It is a marketing tool in which an advertiser sends an email to the recipient detailing the products and the deals available in them. It has the potential to reach millions of customers in a single click. It is a mix of graphic content with content and links that grant access to the customer for easy purchase and information. It is an easy way to gauge the customer's reaction and the marketing graph of the product. A lot of marketing emails come with the option of unsubscribing to eliminate unwanted customers and secure potential customers. There are also pre-made templates in which the information can be filled and sent to the recipient without having the need to design or create a template. The pros of this type of digital marketing are the product is advertised to a large audience and it has a far outreach than the traditional method of marketing. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.